line property 4. I is equal to 0 to pi log sin pi minus x dx, and it is equal to 0 to pi log sin x dx. We can write it twice, 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx, and here I by 2 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. We know that 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2, and substituting here I by 2 minus pi by 2 log 2, and 2 is cancelled. Therefore, I is equal to minus pi log 2. This is solution of this question. Follow